Hello.
Hello, good morning, all
Satyam.
of you. So
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
today we will do some grammar exercises. Good morning. Morning, all of you. The sentences are visible on your screen. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You will do it, and after that, I will discuss the answer. So first one, Tim and Carol dash late yesterday. Find out the correct tense and write it into the gaps. So this exercise is based on tense. The words are given in the bracket and you have to fill the correct tense of the word. It can be any tense. You have studied all the 12 tenses, 4 in each, except future perfect progressive. So then also you have studied 11. So the verbs are given in the bracket and you have to write the correct form of the verbs. So Tim and Carol dash late yesterday. What will be the correct verb that you will fill?
Were.
Huh? Were. Yes.
Were. W-E-R-E.
Yes, were. So Tim and Carol were late yesterday. You know what are the different forms of be? Is, am, are, was, were. These are all the forms of be.
Yes,
Is,
ma'am.
am, are, was, were, all are different forms of be. So here, because yesterday is there, so it has to be past tense. Tim and Carol were late yesterday. You have to write it in your copies also. You do it. Then second one, when he dash, we were
Arrived.
Arrived.
uh,
Were having.
yes. First blank you will have arrived, when he arrived. Second blank, tell me the answer.
Were
We have
having.
taken.
Huh?
We have taken
Were
the
having.
Were having.
Yes, second blank, were having. When he arrived, we were having dinner. When he arrived, first blank, past tense arrived. Second blank, past continuous. We were having dinner. Then third one, while they
While they
dash,
were playing.
yes, correct. While they were playing tennis, we dash our dog for
Took.
a walk.
We took.
We took, yes, correct. While they were playing tennis, we took our dog for a walk. You you write these exercises in your copy also, so that you can revise it. Then,
Ma'am, please repeat question number 3.
huh?
Ma'am, question number 3.
Question number 3 is, while they were playing tennis, we took our dog for a walk. While they were playing tennis, we took our dog for a walk. The bracket word is play. You'll use past continuous. While they were playing tennis, we took our dog for a walk. Okay. And fourth one, when
Got.
I got up,
Got
he,
up.
yes,
Was
Thank you, ma'am.
sitting.
when I got up,
He.
he,
Was sitting in the garden and reading a book.
yes, correct. When I got up, he was sitting in the garden and reading a book. When I got up, he was sitting in the garden and reading a book. Then fifth sentence, I dash never beat.
Never been. Never been.
All of you have to be active. Why only a few students are answering? What about the others? Huh? I have never been to India. Here you'll use the present perfect tense. Have never been. I have never been to India. Okay. I'm not sure if we dash her tomorrow.
Will visit.
Yes, correct, Advit. Right, your answer is
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
I'm not sure if we will visit her tomorrow because tomorrow is there. So you have to use future tense, tomorrow. So I'm not sure if we will visit her tomorrow. Then seventh sentence, no, I don't want to eat anything because I
Had.
Had.
Just had.
only few students are answering. What about others? Hello? No, I don't want to eat anything because I just had lunch.
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
to use the past perfect. Just had lunch. Okay? Just had lunch. She dash well last
Slept.
night. She dash.
Had slept.
Others also answer. She dashed well last
She
night.
Slept.
slept.
Slept, yes.
Slept.
Past tense. Because it is
Slept.
past tense last
Last
night.
night.
So you
Slept.
the past tense. Slept.
Last
SLEPT. She slept well last night.
PT.
Then ninth, look Susan dash in the pool. Look,
It's swimming.
Is swimming.
Susan is swimming.
yes, look Susan is swimming in the pool. Is swimming. You'll use the present continuous tense.
Is swimming.
Look, Susan is swimming in the pool. Then 10th one, when he dashed down
Was walking.
Was walking.
दो तीन स्टूडेंट्स
Walks
आंसर
down.
कर रहे हैं. प्रज्ञा, अद्वित, what about others? Is it so difficult that you are not able to? What? Only 2 students, 3 students are answering again and again. When he dashed down the street, he dashed Jill.
When he
He
was
saw.
He saw the
walking down the
Jill.
street, he saw Jill.
When he was walking down the street, he saw Jill.
Priyanshu, you say the answer.
Ma'am, saw.
Saw दूसरे blank में, पहला blank में, when he, first blank. Okay, Divyanshu, you answer first blank. When he, Rishabh Ranjan, answer करो. Vaishnavi,
When he was walking down the street.
yes, correct. Yes, Vaishnavi, your answer is correct. When he was walking down the street, he saw Jill. She always dash a shower in the morning.
Took.
Takes.
नहीं,
She always
Takes.
Takes. She always takes.
वो
Takes.
हैबिट है, वो लेती है. ये नहीं.
She always takes a shower in the morning.
Yes, she always takes a shower in the morning. It's a habitual action. She always takes a shower in the morning. Then, next.
After we took.
After
After we
after
had
we Ma'am,
After we took some photos.
ma'am, where's the question, ma'am?
After we had taken.
After we took some photos of the cathedral, we
We went.
yes, both
Went,
past tense. After we took some photos of the cathedral, we went to the next restaurant to have dinner.
Ma'am,
हाँ
excuse
बोलो.
me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
हाँ
मैम यहाँ took की जगह taking भी हो सकता है. After नो मैम वी है ना, सॉरी.
ma'am,
we है.
ma'am,
अगर we नहीं
Ma'am.
रहता तो taking. हाँ बोलो.
तो taking हो जाता है.
ma'am, after we had taken some photos of the central and we went to the next restaurant. Ma'am, we
Ma'am.
had taken ना होगा. हम एक प्रेजेंट एक
Ma'am,
ये
we
पास्ट
had
परफेक्ट
taken
में
means-
तो
एक मिनट रुको.
हम एक पास्ट
After we
परफेक्ट में
had
तो एक
taken
पास्ट
some
इंडेफिनिट
photos
होगा
of
ना.
the हाँ
We
past
मैम इसमें
perfect
हिंदी हो
होगा.
जाएगी.
After
हम लोग
we
फोटो
had
ले
taken.
चुके
पास्ट
थे.
परफेक्ट
Yes,
एक
in the
पास्ट
first.
परफेक्ट में सेकंड एंड पास्ट इंडेफिनिट.
So first blank you will have past perfect. जो काम
Yes,
पहले
ma'am.
मैम
होगा.
लेकिन
हाँ.
मैम had taken हो जाएगा. हम लोग ले चुके थे.
नहीं
हाँ,
had
ले
taken
चुके.
नहीं होगा. Past में जब
Had
when
taken.
two actions take place in the past, the action which takes place earlier we use past perfect. So here two actions have taken place, but which is the earlier action? Taking of the photographs. After we had taken some photos of the
Yes, ma'am.
cathedral, we went to the next restaurant to have dinner. So first blank
Ma'am.
you'll have. हाँ, बोलो. Any doubts, queries you can ask.
मैम पास्ट परफेक्ट एंड देन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट हो जाता है ना मैम.
हाँ, past perfect फिर simple past.
पास्ट इंडेफिनिट.
हाँ. Two actions have taken place in the past. So for the earlier action, past perfect, and for the later action, simple past. Then they dash my brother an hour ago.
They met
An
Had
hour
met.
ago.
an hour ago.
Huh?
They
Met.
have met. Have met.
Had met. Had met.
Had met.
What will be the right answer?
Had met.
They met my brother an hour ago. Simple
had.
past.
Ma'am, they met होगा.
हाँ, met
They
होगा.
met.
Simple
MET.
past. MET met. Past tense of
Yes,
meet
ma'am.
is met. They met my brother an hour ago. Have met you cannot use because it is the time of the past is given an hour ago.
Ma'am, since और for नहीं है.
नहीं, अगर past का कोई time mention नहीं रहता है तो present perfect use करते हैं. जैसे an hour ago, if this was not there, you could have used I have met my brother, but here you'll use they met my brother an hour ago because time of the past is mentioned. This is the most beautiful painting I ever see.
I have ever
I
seen.
had never
I
seen.
have ever seen.
I had never seen.
I had
Had or
never seen.
have?
Ma'am, your
Had
voice
or
is
have?
not coming
Had.
properly.
Have.
Ma'am,
Had.
have.
I have ever seen.
Have.
This is the most beautiful painting I have ever seen. This is the most beautiful painting I have ever seen. Have.
Ma'am,
Present.
had की have.
Have. H-A-V-E. H-A-V-E have. This is the most beautiful painting I have ever seen. H-A-V-E have. I will share this in the class group. You can note it down.
Tell होगा.
Ma'am, they told us that it have rained
They
the
told
next
us
days.
that it would rain the next.
Had rained.
They told
The next.
It will.
They told us
They
that
told us that it
that
had
it would
rained
rain.
the next day.
It would rain.
had कैसे next days means coming days.
It will.
Would rain the next
Ma'am,
days.
will day होगा.
It
Ma'am,
will
will
rain.
told us that it will rain the next
It
day.
will rain. Yes, they told us that it will rain the next days. Because next days is the coming days.
मैम
Next day.
मैम ये हो सकता है they told us that it will be raining the next day.
It will be raining the next days. It will be raining. हाँ ये भी हो सकता है और it will rain भी हो सकता है और will be raining भी हो सकता है. They told us that it will be raining the next days, or they told us that it will rain the next days. You can use both will rain or will be raining. So now shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Then here you have rearranged to form meaningful sentences. The
Children
words are
are
jumbled up and you have to.
childrens are still employed in many factories.
Many many children are employed
Many chil-
in factories.
Many children are still employed in
employed in
factories.
factories.
Yes,
in many
correct.
Many
factories.
children are
Children
still
are still
employed
Many
in
employed in
children
factories.
are still employed in factories. Many children, first one, many children are still employed in factories. Then second, Aniket बताओ तुम. Aniket, Anuj,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ.
मैम
हाँ
मैं बताऊं
कौन वैष्णवी हाँ बताओ. Why not?
they should be playing with dolls when they wash utensils.
No, ma'am.
नहीं मैम गलत लग रहा है नहीं होगा
नहीं गलत है. थोड़ा
Ma'am,
सा
meaningless है.
थोड़ा सा उसको इधर उधर एक
They
word-
wash
When
utensils when they should be playing with dolls.
Yes, Dhruv, your answer is correct. Dhruv बताया ना. They
Yes ma'am.
हाँ, they wash utensils when they should be playing with dolls. जब उन्हें गुड़िया से खेलना चाहिए तो वो बर्तन धो रहे हैं. हाँ, they wash utensils when they should be playing with dolls.
children don't know.
Then third one, children don't most they entitled no are to write certain.
Children don't know most certain rights to entitled.
मैम हम बोले
कौन वैष्णवी.
नो मैम आकृति
हाँ बोलो. Why not?
मैम most rights are entitled to certain children they don't know. मैम हम बोले वैष्णवी.
हाँ बोलो
मैम इसमें
बोलो.
तू नहीं है.
हाँ टू तो
मत
है.
most
टू हाँ हाँ.
Ma'am,
ओके वैष्णवी you say.
most children don't know they are entitled to certain rights.
Yes, very good.
मैम नो बोली
हाँ
कहाँ
सही
बोली?
है. वैष्णवी का हाँ तो सही तो बोली. Most
Ma'am, don't
children.
कहाँ बोले?
हाँ
बोले most children don't know they are entitled to certain rights.
yes, correct. Yes, Vaishnavi, your answer is correct. Most children don't know they are entitled to certain rights. Child labor is illegal. Children have the right to oppose it, but they don't even know that they are entitled to certain rights. That right to education is their right. Most children don't know they are entitled to certain rights. And fourth,
India brings CRY organization to bring peace and prosperity.
गलत है, इज नहीं बोला।
Is नहीं बोला चाहिए।
CRY is an organization in India to bring peace and prosperity.
हाँ सही है। CRY is an organization. CRY is an CRY. CRY is an organization to bring peace and prosperity in India.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ये हो सकता है CRY is an organization in India
To
to
bring
bring
peace and prosperity. हाँ ये भी होगा।
Yes, ma'am.
This also you can have. CRY is an organization in India to bring peace and prosperity.
ये सही है।
CRY is an organization to bring
In
peace and
India.
prosperity in India. Both you can have. In India को आप इधर उधर थोड़ा कर सकते हैं उससे sentence के meaning पे. So I'll repeat the answers. First one, many children are still employed in factories. They wash utensils when they should be playing with dolls. Most children don't know that they are entitled to certain rights. Most children don't know they are entitled to certain rights. CRY is an organization to bring peace and prosperity in India. Then these are the answers. So here, change the following active sentences into passive voice. Options are given, you have to choose the correct option. Okay, all of you are ready? Hello? Hello? I did not beat her.
She was not beaten by me.
Number 3, ma'am. Number 3.
Third wala.
Number 3. Number 3, ma'am.
She was not beaten by me.
Which option is correct?
Number
Anuj?
3.
Third.
Third, yes. Number 3. I did not.
This experience will
Number
never
3
be
is correct.
forgotten
I
by
did
me.
not beat her. Correct is she was not beaten by me. Did because it is did. You have to use was. I told that for do you use is MR and for did you use was. She was not beaten, and in passive you always use the V3. So she was not beaten by me. I will never forget this experience. Then
This experience will never be forgotten by me.
Never be forgotten by me.
This expression will
I
never be
will never
forgotten by me.
forget this experience.
Ma'am, number 3.
Siddhi Shri, you
Ma'am,
answer.
number 3.
Ma'am,
Siddhi
number
Shri?
Number 3.
Number 3. Number 3. This experience will never be forgotten by me. Because number 3 is the correct option. Because it is future tense, what do you use? Be plus V3. Will never be forgotten. In future, I told you in continuous, you use being, B-E-I-N-G. In all the perfect tense, you use B-E-E-N, been. And in future, you use B-E-B. So here, it is future tense. This experience will never be forgotten by me. Then, mother made a cake yesterday.
Ma'am,
Was made by mother.
My mother yesterday.
Third.
Yes.
Third wala.
Third.
A cake was made because past tense, simple past. So simple past, what you use? Was were plus simple past you use was were plus V3. In simple past, what do you use? Was were plus V3. Cake was made. The boy teased the girl.
The
Again,
girl
Girl
was
was
by the boy.
Was teased by
First,
Ma'am, first वाला.
yes, the first option. The boy,
मैम सेकंड
the girl. नहीं, second कैसे होगा? Had है, had. You are not supposed to use had. It is simple past. Simple past. You use was, were plus V3. The boy teased the girl. The girl was teased by the boy. Then, did she do her duty? Did
Ma'am,
she
was
do
her
her
duty
was
done by her.
then her
Her duty
Ma'am,
done by
first.
her. Ma'am,
second.
Was her duty done by her?
Yes, second. Was her
Second.
duty done by her? Because it is did. In did, I told you to use was or were. Was her duty done by her? Then the tiger was chasing the deer. The tiger was chasing
First
the deer.
was the tiger.
Chased by the tiger. Second one.
Ma'am,
Last
number
being
two.
ma'am.
Ma'am, second.
Second, ma'am. Second.
deer was being chased by the tiger.
Shavak, you answer. Shavak. Shavak answer करो.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
Second होगा.
the deer was being
Ma'am,
chased.
second होगा.
second. The deer was being chased by the tiger because it is past continuous. And in
Tiger.
past continuous, what do you use? Was, being plus
Was being
was, were, or plus being plus V3.
people.
The deer was being chased by the tiger. Yes, correct. Then seventh, she has written a novel.
Ma'am, second होगा. A novel has
A
been
novel
written
has
by
been
her.
written by
novel
her.
has been
One
written
has
by
been
her.
written by her.
Novel has been written by her.
Second.
Yes, very good. She
Ma'am,
has,
second. 7 ka second.
seven ka second. She has written a
And eight ka
novel. A
third.
novel has been written by her. As I had already told, in all the perfect tense, you have to use be and been. A novel has been written by her, and has been because novel is singular. If the subject is plural, then you use have. If the subject is singular, then you use have. She has learned her lessons.
Ma'am, third.
Second.
Second.
Second, ma'am.
Her lessons had been learned by her.
Ma'am, third होगा.
Ma'am,
Second.
second हो. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
second
second.
होगा.
Second,
Her
her
lesson
lesson
have been learned by
Her
her.
lessons
Have
have
का
been
past
learned
में
by
had
her.
होगा. Have कहाँ से हो जाएगा?
have होगा.
Ma'am, third होगा.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
second.
second होगा.
कौन बोल रहा
cancel
है?
क्या
है?
ध्रुव. ध्रुव थर्ड होगा.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Third होगा.
Yes, ma'am, third ही होगा.
थर्ड कैसे
Yes, ma'am,
होगा?
वही
Has
बोल
है ना?
Now solar.
यहाँ
Ma'am, second
passive,
होगा.
in passive you change the tense.
Ma'am, second होगा.
Second,
ये लोग narration बनाने लगा मैं.
present perfect. She has learned her lessons. Her lessons have been learned by her. Because the subject has become plural, we will use have.
Ma'am, second one होगा ना.
हाँ, second होगा.
Okay.
Second होगा. Has को had में नहीं बदलना. You don't have to change has to had. It will, the tense does not change. Tense will remain the same. Present perfect will remain present perfect only.
Ma'am, ninth
You
का भी
are using the word been. Her lessons
का
have
भी second.
been learned. Second is the correct. Second one is the correct option. Her lessons have
From 9
been.
seconds.
Ma'am, second.
Ma'am, 9 का second.
Have you finished the report?
Ninth का second.
Ma'am, second.
Ninth.
Yes. Here also,
Has the report been finished by you?
finished by you.
Second.
Ma'am,
So
second.
you have
Ma'am,
to,
Been
tenth
finished
का
by you.
first.
you don't have to change
Ma'am,
have
tenth
to
का
have to
Yes,
had.
ma'am. तैयार.
You don't have to change the tense. Just use been, B-double-E, and has
Ma'am.
the report been? हाँ.
10 का first.
Ma'am, 10 का first होगा. The thief has
10
been
का
caught by
The first.
First.
The thief has been caught by the police.
The thief has been
Thief
caught
Thief
by
has
the
been
police.
caught by the
Yes.
police.
The thief has been
Yes.
caught by the
People Liberation Army, Galwan
Police.
Ghati. Oh, so first she was not beaten by me. This experience will never be forgotten. Cake was made by mother yesterday. The girl was teased by the boy. Was her duty done by her? The deer was being chased by the tiger. Novel has been written by so. So here, this exercise is based on subject-verb agreement. Yet studied subject. Yes, man and woman are complementary to each other. Man and woman are. Plenty of mangoes and bananas are. Yes, are available in this season. Plenty of mangoes
three
and
का भी are.
bananas. A dictionary and an atlas. नहीं
Three का
दो
is.
दो चीज है ना, डिक्शनरी एंड एन
Yes, ma'am.
एटलस आर मिसिंग.
मैम 3 का is होगा.
3 का
R
आर
होगा.
होगा एंड
R होगा. दोनों सेम
दो
बुक
चीज
नहीं है,
है
अलग
ना.
अलग है.
होगा.
हम एक ही डिक्शनरी भी है, वो एटलस भी है.
नहीं नहीं, डिक्शनरी अलग होता है, एटलस अलग होता है. दे डोंट रेफर टू द सेम.
Atlas means map.
एन है ना पहले, अ डिक्शनरी
Book of
एंड एन एटलस. थर्ड आल्सो यू विल हैव आर. फर्स्ट आर, सेकंड आर, थर्ड आल्सो आर. Then
4 का
And fourth
belongs.
belongs.
the leader
Belongs.
as well as his brother belong.
1
or
second वाला होगा belong.
belongs.
belongs.
Leader as well as brother belongs to this.
Yes, belongs.
Belongs.
Why? Because you have to choose according to the first subject.
Leader is only singular.
You will use the verb with s, because here the verb is to be used according to the first subject. First subject is singular. Leader as well as his brothers. You have to use belongs because leader is singular. When two subjects are, it is the rule of subject verb agreement. Two subjects joined by as well as, besides, with, you have to use according to the first subjects. Then cats and dogs dash not get along. Who or does?
Are.
Do not. Do not.
Do not.
Do not get along.
Do not, plural.
Do. Yes,
Plural,
ma'am.
do not get along. Yes, cats and dogs do not get along. The brother as well as their sister.
Ma'am, because cats are plural.
As well.
As well as. So you will use according to the
Are.
first subject. First subject.
Brothers.
First
Ma'am,
नहीं,
brothers.
are. Ma'am,
Because
are.
of brothers, ma'am, we use R.
You have to use according to the first subject. पहला subject क्या है? Brothers. तो R होगा. As
Ma'am,
well
R.
as रहे तो पहला subject को देखना है. If you have as well as, then you have to see the first subject. The students accompanied by their teacher.
Have.
Have. Yes, first subject you have to see.
Have.
First subject, students.
Yes. The students accompanied by their teacher have gone on a picnic. Then a lot of houses
Have.
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 Plural, have.
Have.
H-A-V-E,
Have.
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 Yes, plural. Seventh also plural verb have. Eighth also plural verb have. A lot of houses have collapsed. The children as well as their mother is are. क्या होगा?
Ma'am is.
Is कैसे होगा?
Ma'am is.
Children as well as.
Children
Valid.
is plural.
Is
Stolen.
Are.
Ma'am,
Are.
Ma'am, because it's
Are.
plural, ma'am.
Because
Children plural है. First subject is plural.
as well as है तो पहला सब्जेक्ट को देखना है. दूसरे सब्जेक्ट को हम कब देखते हैं? neither nor, either or. When subjects are joined by either or, neither nor, then we see the second subject. But here as well as, we will use it according to the first subject. First subject is children, plural, so you will use are. The children as well as their mother are missing. A large sum of money
Was.
Some time is
was
over,
stolen.
ma'am.
Money
Was
is
stolen.
considered uncountable. A large sum of money was stolen.
Stolen.
A large
Ma'am, time
sum
हो
of-
गया.
हाँ टाइम हो गया ठीक है
Time हो गया.
हाँ टाइम हो गया
Yes, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am.
ओके मैं
Nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैम कल भी यही होगा.
हाँ ये सारा
मैम कल भी
exercise-
यही होगा.
क्या कल भी
मैम कल भी एक्सरसाइज ही होगा.
क्या तुम लोग को ठीक लग रहा है ये
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है तो एक्सरसाइज ही करवा देंगे क्योंकि लिटरेचर वी आर
Yes.
एडवांस्ड very few chapters are only left so it's better we'll revise grammar
Okay, ma'am. कल writing section करा दीजिए.
हाँ राइटिंग करा देंगे कल डिस्क्रिप्टिव
Okay, ma'am.
ओके
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ओके
Okay, ma'am.
अटेंडेंस ले लिए हो
Yes, ma'am.
ओके
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
ओके थैंक यू यस
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.